so this is our last day for indicator 17. So we're still doing monomials, but today we are actually going to find area of different shapes. So I went ahead and had you guys write down the area of a square or rectangle. We're simply going to do length times width. And then the area for the triangle is 1/2 times the base times the height. And so I have an example or a couple examples of each that we'll go over together, and then I'll let you guys the rest of the time today work on your assignment. So the very first example is a square. So we have equal sides. So are we going to use length times width or 1/2 base times height here? All right, so to find the area, we're going to do length times width. And in this case, the length is xy, the width is xy. So how do we multiply xy times xy? What's x times x? X to the second, and y times y? Y to the second. That's it. So we're, again, multiplying our coefficients and adding our powers. So we did length times width, and we got x squared, y squared. Now for the second one, that's a triangle. So am I going to do length times width or 1/2 times base times height? All right, so we're going to find the area by doing 1/2 times the base times the height, and we'll plug those in. So I'm first going to put in my 1/2. Now my base is 6b squared. And then my height is 3b. So we are multiplying coefficients, adding powers. So we have 3 coefficients. We have 3 numbers to multiply. Now, if you want to do the 1/2 last, that's okay. You can multiply those in any order. But what's 1/2 of 6? What's 3 times 3? 9. Now, if you want to take 6 times 3 first and get 18 and then take half of that, that works as well. But either way, you're going to get 9. And then we have to add our powers with like bases. So we have b squared and b to the first. So it's going to be b to what power? Or b to the third. All right, now on the next one, our rectangle, we have the length is 4x to the 6th, the width is 3x to the 5th. So we're going to do length times width. Now on this one, we multiply our coefficients, so what's 4 times 3? 12. Now what's my power for x? I have a 6 and a 5. 11. And then for the last one, we have another triangle, so we have to do 1/2. Our base is 2m squared times n, and our height is 5m n cubed. So we are going to combine our coefficients. So what is 1/2 times 2 times 5? 5. Half of 2 is 1, 1 times 5 is 5, or you can take 2 times 5 is 10 and take half of that. Either way, you're going to get 5. Now for m's, we have an m squared and an m to the first. So what's my power for m going to be? Cubed, or to the third, and then n to the fourth. So again, we're multiplying the coefficients, adding the powers, and that is area. We're done. Are you guys ready to work? All right, so I do want to let you guys know that the division assignment is not due until it was due today. So if you have questions on the assignment from yesterday, don't hesitate to ask. If you want me to check something, bring it back here. I'll look at it. I can check homework before you guys submit it. You can always, even if you have submitted it, I've not looked at it yet because they weren't due until today. So if you want me to look at something, you can always unsubmit it and make corrections. And then today, the top half of your assignment is a little review from the past couple days, and then the bottom half of your assignment for today are the area with the different shapes. So as you guys work, if you have questions on anything, just let me know. But if you guys want to listen to your own music and work, go for it.